Welcome, curious minds.
To Wisdom X365, I'm Professor Wise.
Your guide to the fascinating world of knowledge, technology, and the mysteries of the universe.
And I'm FactFin, your fin-tastic fact-checker and tech enthusiast. Together, we're diving deep into the stories that shape our future.
Today, we're tackling a topic that's been making waves in the world of artificial intelligence. It's a battle of brains, a clash of algorithms, and a story of innovation that spans the globe.
That's right! In one corner, we have ChatGPT, the AI superstar from OpenAI, backed by Silicon Valley's brightest minds. And in the other corner, we have Deepseek AI, China's ambitious challenger, armed with billions of dollars and a vision to dominate the AI race.
So, grab your thinking caps because we're about to explore Deepseek AI vs. ChatGPT, China's billion-dollar AI challenge to OpenAI.
Well, ChatGPT is built on OpenAI's GPT architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a language model trained on massive amounts of text data, allowing it to understand and generate human-like responses.
Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has become a household name. It's the AI that writes essays, generates code, and even helps you plan your vacation. But what makes ChatGPT so special?
But while OpenAI has been leading the charge, China has been quietly building its own AI powerhouse. Enter Deepseek AI, a Beijing-based company with a mission to challenge OpenAI's dominance.
Exactly. But here's the kicker. OpenAI didn't just stop at GPT-3. They've been pushing the boundaries with GPT-4 and beyond, making ChatGPT smarter, faster, and more versatile.
And they're not just copying OpenAI's playbook. Deepseek AI is focusing on areas like natural language processing, computer vision, and even AI ethics. They're building a model that's not only smart but also culturally aware, tailored to the needs of Chinese users.
Deepseek AI is no small player. Backed by some of China's biggest tech giants and billions of dollars in funding, this company is on a mission to create AI that can rival or even surpass ChatGPT.
But here's the big question. Can Deepseek AI really compete with ChatGPT? Let's break it down.
That's an important point. While ChatGPT is designed with a global audience in mind, Deepseek AI is hyper-focused on the Chinese market. This means it's optimized for Mandarin, understands Chinese culture, and adheres to local regulations.
But Deepseek AI isn't far behind. Early tests show that their model can handle complex tasks in Mandarin with impressive accuracy. Plus, they're investing heavily in research and development to close the gap.
First, let's talk about performance. ChatGPT has set the bar high with its ability to generate coherent, contextually accurate responses. It's like having a conversation with a highly knowledgeable friend.
Deepseek AI, on the other hand, has the backing of China's tech giants, who are no strangers to big data. With access to China's massive internet user base, Deepseek AI has a treasure trove of information to train its models.
And then there's the issue of scale. OpenAI has access to vast amounts of data and computing power, thanks to partnerships with companies like Microsoft.
And that's where things get really interesting. While OpenAI has been vocal about its commitment to ethical AI, Deepseek AI is operating in a regulatory environment that's very different from the West.
But it's not just about who has the most data. It's also about how that data is used. Both companies are grappling with ethical questions, like bias in AI, privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse.
On the flip side, OpenAI has faced its own challenges, like accusations of bias in its training data and concerns about the environmental impact of training large AI models.
China has strict regulations when it comes to AI, especially around data privacy and censorship. This means Deepseek AI has to navigate a complex web of rules while still pushing the boundaries of innovation.
But one thing's for sure, the AI race is heating up and the stakes are higher than ever.
So, who's winning the race? Well, it's not that simple. Both ChatGPT and Deepseek AI have their strengths and weaknesses, and the competition is driving innovation on both sides.
But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more advanced, we need to ensure it's used for good, not harm.
As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will play a central role in shaping our world. Whether it's ChatGPT, Deepseek AI, or the next big breakthrough, the possibilities are endless.
So, what do you think? Will Deepseek AI dethrone ChatGPT, or will OpenAI maintain its lead? Let us know in the comments below.
And that's where you come in. By staying informed and asking the right questions, you can help shape the future of AI.
Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring with Wisdom X365.
Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of AI. Remember, the future is what we make of it.